Introducing Multicolored Text, a new way to customize your neon sign. Visit NeonChamp and click Design Your Own Sign to get started. Enter your text, then choose your favorite font and size. Next, head to the Choose Color section. You'll find two options, single color and the new Multicolored Text. Select Multicolored Text to customize every letter individually. Simply tap each letter and choose the perfect color. Watch your design update instantly in the live preview. Finish by selecting your backboard, power adapter, and hardware options. Review your design and place your order in just a few clicks. Perfect for bedrooms, gaming setups, businesses, weddings, and events. Create your one-of-a-kind neon sign today with NeonChamp.